Imagine encountering a creature from a bygone era. The bird that stands 5 feet tall on its long, spindly legs, reminiscent of a heron's, with a duck-like head and an enormous shoe-shaped bill. Living in freshwater marshes, it hunts with the utmost patience, standing still for hours until its unsuspecting victim commits a fatal blunder. Not an ordinary bird, but a prehistoric beast, said to have evolved from the mighty T-Rex. This elusive avian behemoth stands as a being beyond the realm of imagination, a creature of unparalleled antiquity. Meet the Jurassic bird of the wetlands, the shoebill stork. The majestic Balaenoceps rex, commonly known as the shoebill stork, renowned for its large shoe-shaped bill, is a wading bird that roams the vast and impenetrable freshwater swamps and marshes of central tropical Africa, spanning from the southern regions of Sudan to the eastern parts of Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, western Tanzania, and northern Zambia. Its genus name is derived from the Latin words balena, meaning whale, and caput, meaning head, which gives rise to its other monikers, the whale-headed and whale-billed stork. They belong to the Balaenocipitidae family, which includes other wading birds of medium size. However, among them, the graceful hammerkop stands as the closest relative of this awe-inspiring avian giant. On the other hand, the shoebill's ancestral roots run deep, tracing back to the time when the Earth was young, almost 33.9 to 23 million years ago, in the oligogenic organisms era like Goliath, Paludiavis, and Eramopithecus, that are believed to be the forebears of shoebills. And so it is no wonder that the shoebills are said to be evolved from carnivores, and carnivorous dinosaurs called theropods at that, which is the same group from which the famous Tyrannosaurus rex belongs to. Their very appearance, with a bulbous straw-colored bill adorned with grayish markings and blue-gray plumage with darker salty gray flight feathers, these birds are truly a sight to behold. Yet their unique look is reminiscent of various animals, like a square-shaped duck-like hat, ostrich-like long and weird legs, and a beak that rivals even the pelicans in circumference, resembling that of storks. Even their young are not to be underestimated. Although born with a more average-sized bill and silvery gray feathers, as they mature, their bill grows even larger, becoming well-developed by the time they reach 43 days of age. Besides the bill, the majestic shoebill has some extraordinary physical traits that set it apart from all other aves, like dark, eerie legs, strangely long and strangely thin, boasting a tarsus length of 8.5 to 10 inches. Attached to its feet that are of exceptional size also, with middle toe stretching 6.6 to 7.3 inches long, aiding the bird to stand still on aquatic vegetation for hours and hours, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to strike its prey. Yet it is the shoebill's colossal stature that truly inspires awe and fear. Towering above its peers at heights of 3 to 5 feet, with a massive wingspan of 7 to 8 feet, making the shoebill appear as a creature from a time long forgotten. However, despite the abnormally long size for a bird, their weight is surprisingly low in the grand scheme of things, ranging from a meager 8 to 11 pounds for females and 11 to 15 pounds for males. Moreover, as the avian behemoth takes flight with its colossal wings spread wide and its neck gracefully retracted, its alternatives between graceful glides and powerful flaps, each cycle lasting a tantalizing 7 seconds. But with a slow and deliberate flapping rate of only 150 flaps per minute, reaching 30 miles per hour, hardly, making it one of the slowest birds in flight. Nevertheless, the shoebill remains unfazed, as it cares not for prolonged flights, preferring short bursts of aerial escapades instead, and rarely exceeding a distance of 330 to 1,640 feet, even when provoked. During the nesting season, these elusive birds use a plethora of sounds to communicate with one another, from the famous clattering of their bills that look like a machine gun fired, to a bovine moo and high-pitched whines. The vocalizations paint a picture of their ever-changing moods and behaviors. Likewise, Shoebill clicks emit a peculiar sound that resembles human hiccups when they beg for food. Some bird watchers have even observed shoebills producing a horse-like call, which is believed to indicate aggressive behavior towards marabou storks. However, among all the elusive attributes of the shoebill, it is its iconic shoebill shape, or I guess, shoe-shaped bill made up of bony keratin that remains its identifying characteristic for the bird, as it stands as the third largest bill amongst all existing birds, surpassed only by pelicans and large storks. And it is because of this razor-edged, colossal beak that shoebills have the power to sometimes even hunt the most daring prey that other wading birds dare not pursue. While their diet primarily consists of fish, these birds are proficient predators of a diverse range of wetland vertebrates, including frogs, water snakes, Nile monitors, and even juvenile crocodiles. On rare occasions, the shoebill will also treat itself to turtles, rodents, carrions, and snails. When feeding, a shoebill often chooses poorly oxygenated waters where the fish is forced to surface for air. And that is when these predators strike. As aforementioned, these lethal prehistoric-looking birds can remain motionless for hours, with patience as their ally, awaiting the perfect moment to launch their attack with a lightning-fast speed, employing the ominous technique known as collapsing, where they pounce or plunge forward into their hapless prey, devouring it whole. Their massive beaks also come in handy for digging into the pond-bottom mud to extract lungfish from their aestivation burrows. The entire process of consuming prey, from the initial scoop to the final swallow, can last anywhere between 2 and 30 minutes, depending on the magnitude of the catch. However, when the shoebill sets its sights on a quarry larger than the norm, the endeavor demands an extended period of time and a substantial amount of effort to conquer its prey. In a rare incident, a majestic shoebill was captured on film seizing a lungfish. The footage shows the calculated approach of the shoebill as it silently stalks its unsuspecting victim in the nearby water marsh. With razor-sharp focus, the shoebill patiently awaits the opportune moment to strike. Suddenly, the lungfish breaks the surface for oxygen, and in an instant the shoebill pounces. Its head is swiftly retracted to the side, providing a perfect vantage point from its keen side eye. With lightning-fast reflexes, the shoebill ensnares the lungfish in its wide and powerful beak, then without hesitation devours its catch in a single gulp. Yet fortunately, this avian giant keeps a gentle disposition towards humans, and displays no signs of hostility. For 3 consecutive years, from 1977 to 1979, researchers ventured close to a shoebill's nest multiple times, drawing near to a mere distance of 6.5 feet, in order to better comprehend its behavior towards humans. Surprisingly, no act of aggression or intimidation was witnessed by these birds. Yet, on the contrary, this awe-inspiring creature falls prey to human consumption for food quite frequently. Shoebills prefer a solitary lifestyle and are known for their fierce territorial defense. They are non-migratory creatures that form pairs only during the breeding season. After the rainy season, males and females collaborate to construct a nest, typically located on a floating platform made of aquatic plants. This platform can reach up to 10 feet deep and 10 feet wide. Once the nest is built, the female lays 1 to 3 white eggs, which are incubated by both parents for around 30 days. During this period, they actively protect and feed the nestlings until they're ready to leave the nest. However, shoebill females are not the best of mothers due to their instinct to focus on only one chick at any given time. This behavior results in the eventual demise of the remaining chicks. Yet, the privileged chick typically attains fledgling at around 105 days, and becomes capable of flying well by 112 days. Even after this, they may continue to be fed for a month or more. Shoebill storks can live up to 36 years in their natural habitat and up to 50 years in captivity. But these magnificent birds face grave dangers to their existence. Habitat destruction, disturbance, and hunting are the primary culprits that pose a significant risk to their survival. According to the latest estimate from the IUCN, there are only 5,000 to 8,000 shoebill individuals left in the world. Sadly, this species is presently classified as vulnerable in the IUCN Red List, and its population is steadily declining. Let's hope that we can turn things around for this beautiful beast before it's too late, because we could all use a little more wonder and weirdness in our lives. And these birds are full of both. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.